Mazda introduces its 2026 CX-5 model, bringing a fresh perspective to the automotive market. This model stands out with its dynamic exterior design, high-tech interior, and powerful performance, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and long-distance travel. Exterior design. The Mazda CX-5's exterior is modern and sporty. The signature wing grille and LED lights at the front provide a sleek, contemporary appearance. At the rear, newly designed taillights and aerodynamic lines give the car a more dynamic look. The 19-inch wheels ensure excellent handling in various driving conditions. Interior design and comfort. Inside, the Mazda CX-5 is equipped with high-quality materials, offering a premium feel. Leather seats and an advanced multimedia system provide users with a comfortable and functional driving experience. The central console allows easy access to the vehicle's various technological features, while the rear seats offer ample space, ensuring comfort during long journeys. Performance and fuel efficiency. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, the Mazda CX-5 delivers 190 to 200 horsepower and 250 Newton-meters of torque, offering impressive performance. The car's city fuel consumption is approximately 9 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers, and its highway consumption is around 6 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers. This makes it an efficient and economical choice for consumers. Safety features. The Mazda CX-5 is equipped with excellent safety features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. Modern safety systems such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist ensure the vehicle's safety in all conditions. Pricing and conclusion. The Mazda CX-5 is priced between $35,000 and $45,000, depending on the trim and configuration. This price point is aligned with the vehicle's high performance, comfort, and safety features. Overall, the Mazda CX-5 is an outstanding choice for individual buyers and families alike.